Importance of animals to humans and environment. In the smooth running of our world, the contributions which animals make are enormous. Animals play a significant role in the stability of the environment, ecosystem, and our lives. They are excellent companions, especially the tiny mammals. The importance of animals cannot be stressed enough. Without them, our existence is not possible. Importance of animals in environment and ecosystem. The cycle of predating and becoming the prey is what keeps the ecosystem in order. Carnivores, such as hyenas and wolves, prey on herbivores, such as goats. The herbivores feed on grass and plants. In turn, these animals produce carbon dioxide, which the plants use for their growth and production of oxygen. When these animals die, their bodies decompose into the soil, by microorganisms, and provide nutrients for the plants. In this way, the animals keep the cycle stable. Bees collect nectar from flowers, and during this process, they also collect the sticky pollen grains on the flowers. When they sit on another flower to collect some more nectar, the pollen grains detach and collect on the flower. In this way, pollination takes place, and new plants grow. They then produce the essential gas, the source of all life, oxygen. When this equilibrium is disturbed, usually by human interference, things begin to spiral downwards. If the predators are killed, the number of herbivores will increase rapidly. This will decrease the amount of plant life and grass in that region, and naturally, the herbivores will come out of their habitat. Animals like elephants, herbivores, can destroy one whole season's worth of crops if disturbed in such a manner. That's why it is essential that animals must not be harmed. Animals are a vital part of the ecosystem. Another environmental importance of animals is that they take care of other animals. A good example is an elephant. Elephants use their trunks, which have almost 40,000 muscles, to dig up watering holes. A watering hole is a geological depression in which water collects. Staying hydrated is essential in all animals, and hence having a water supply is crucial for them. Importance of animals to human lives. Role of animals for wellness. One of the most common uses of an animal is keeping them as pets. The animals we adopt as pets range from fish to birds to insects and even large mammals such as monkeys. The most popular pets are cats and dogs, and naturally, they have been anthropomorphized the most of all mammals. Further, the human-animal interaction has several positive effects on the health of both. Importance of animals in our physical health. People with pets have low heart rates and blood pressure levels while under stress compared to those having no pets. In this study, two groups of people, having pets and non-pet owners, were subjected to stressful situations. Then their cardiovascular reactivity was observed. And the results show that having a pet can significantly reduce the chances of cardiovascular diseases and helps in faster recovery. Further, according to Health, having a dog as a companion can reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels and lower the stress level of individuals. There is also evidence that keeping pets can significantly help children and the elderly with anxiety and mental health problems. Animals for recovery and rehabilitation. Domesticated animals can be the best caregiver and help in the quick recovery from a severe illness. They can help us in speech therapy, occupational therapy, and further physical rehabilitation. According to the clinics, animal-assisted therapy can help patients ease pain and quick recovery in dental procedures, cancer treatment, cardiovascular diseases, dementia, post-traumatic stress disorder, and anxiety. Furthermore, animals help prisoners to live a life without conflict outside the prison. Trained animals can be the best caregiver to individuals with some disabilities. For example, dogs and monkeys can assist their blind or limbless owners in doing their regular tasks. Cats can also signal their deaf partners for specific sounds. Animals as our companion. Animals as our companion. Some studies suggest that human-animal companions help the person to release stress and become more relaxed. Having a pet also has a tremendous social impact on human life. Friendship and other social relationships have both positive and negative effects. However, keeping an animal as a companion only works towards the positive ones. People with pets feel less lonely and find an excellent partner to spend time with. Dogs are great for the improvement of physical health too. This is because you can play or take a walk with them. Furthermore, some findings show that having pets as a companion can improve your social interactions. In the elderly, having a pet provides emotional and social support too. A study reveals that pet owners have better physical and psychological well-being than people with no pets. They get compassion from the pets in old age and become better at doing their regular activities such as bending, kneeling, climbing stairs, walking, dressing up, preparing food, and taking medicines. Children with no siblings might feel shy and less socially active. And several studies show that having pets can help kids develop empathy and emotions plus increase interaction with others. Therefore, animals are essential in human life for both physical and mental well-being. Role of animals in several works. From ancient times, animals have been helping us to perform several laborious works. When there were no vehicles, horse and bull carts were the only way to travel from one place to another. Further, donkeys, horses, male buffaloes, oxen, and elephants were best at labor-intensive works like carrying goods and shifting tree trunks and stems. In the deserts, we still use camels for movement from one side to another. Although nowadays, we are utilizing technology more often, still some rural people use bulls for plowing the fields. Importance of animals in safety and security. Dogs are hugely used in police departments for substance detection and tracking. The police industry also uses horses for patrolling and clearing roads. They are accommodating in events like football and rugby matches for controlling the crowd. Dolphins named military dolphins help the officers rescue lost swimmers and for finding mines deep inside the water. In some places, cats help victims to relax in critical situations. Birds like eagles and pigeons are also trained to perform a special kind of activity for police forces. Besides, dogs are also kept in houses to keep away thieves and protect the house from anonymous activities. Animal importance in science and medicine. Animals have been used for treating illnesses since ancient times, but only in 1798 did they become the ideal test subjects. Eradication of polio happened because of the vaccines produced by animal cells grown via in vitro fertilization. The vaccine for measles was developed similarly. Of all animals, mice and rats are the ones used most extensively as experimental models. They're used especially for genetics, and few are genetically modified just for experimentation. We call such a mouse a knockout mouse. When a new medicine is in the works, animals like chickens and fruit flies are used to test them. They are used again and again until the medicine is deemed safe for human use. Even snakes are essential in the medical field. Their venom has anticoagulant properties. It prevents the formation of clots. Venom is used to treat patients with cardiovascular, pulmonary, and any disease related to blood. The drug for treating cancer comes from a particular marine animal called Actinosidia turbinata. A deadly toxin produced by the snail Conus geographus is used for pain relief.